Welcome to this Tutor to You revision video that looks at conservative plate margins. This is part of Paper 1, Unit A, The Challenge of Natural Hazards. At a conservative plate margin, two tectonic plates move side by side. This can either be in the opposite direction to one another, or it can be in the same direction but moving at different speeds. At a conservative margin, there is no subduction taking place, meaning that no crust is melted to form magma, and there is no gap between the plates to allow magma to rise anyway. As a result, there is no volcanic activity and no new lithosphere forming. However, these margins are very active with destructive earthquakes. This is because the tectonic plates often get stuck as they slide past each other. This leads to a build-up of pressure which can be released as a powerful shallow earthquake, such as those found along the San Andreas Fault Line. Let's have a look at the San Andreas Fault Line in a bit more detail. The San Andreas Fault Line is found along the margin between the North American and Pacific plates. It stretches over 1,000 kilometres along the west coast of the USA and through California. You can see it on the screen with the long yellow line. It is the most studied fault line in the world. Scientists have discovered that it produces a magnitude 6 earthquake approximately once every 22 years. Such events happened in 1857, 1881, 1901, 1922, 1934, and 1966, which seem to show this to be a reasonable conclusion. However, we all know that it is impossible to predict accurately when earthquakes will happen, and there was a large gap from 1966 to 2004 with no seismic activity. Earthquakes happen when enough stress is accumulated and then released in a burst. Scientists believe that there is already a high enough pressure of build-up here to cause a magnitude 7 earthquake along the southern part of the fault. Unfortunately, Los Angeles is located here, one of the biggest cities in the world with a high population density. So if there was a sudden release of pressure, it could cause a catastrophic natural disaster. That concludes this Tutor to You revision video focusing on conservative plate margins. Thank you for watching.